If you want to change the display language in Microsoft Edge, this quick tutorial will walk you through it step by step. Whether you're using Edge in a different language by accident or you just want to switch to your preferred language, the process is simple and only takes a minute once you know where to look. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three dots menu. This is the main menu that gives you access to all of Edge's settings and features. From the drop-down list, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand sidebar and select Languages. This is where Microsoft Edge keeps all the language options for the browser interface and web page translation features. Now, if your desired language is already listed, you may be able to set it as your preferred display language right away. But if it's not listed, don't worry, because Edge lets you add more languages easily. Click Add Languages. A small window will appear with a list of available languages. Scroll through the list or use the search box to find the language you want. Once you see it, check the box next to that language, then click Add. Edge will add it to your language list. After that, you can manage the order and preferences so your selected language becomes the one you want to use. In some cases, Edge may ask you to restart the browser for the language change to fully take effect. If that happens, just close and reopen Microsoft Edge, and your new display language should be applied. This is especially useful if you're learning a new language, setting up a shared computer, or just want a more comfortable browsing experience. And that's it. You now know how to change the display language in Microsoft Edge browser. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.